Welcome to How to Create Flat Design Interface Icons course. My name is David Tominski, and I gotta tell you, it's great to have you on board. Before we move on to learning flat design by creating the icons, let's briefly take a look at what flat design actually is. So, what is flat design and why are we designing things in a simplified, flat way? Do you remember the times when graphic designers of all sorts were packing flashy colors and gradients and drop shadows into their designs? Everything had to resemble real life, so the people totally new to the whole internet concept could get used to virtual reality. It was called skeuomorphism, and it was particularly prominent in Apple's iOS interface icons. Today's trend in user interface design has completely shifted. There are no classic drop shadows, the gradients are gone, the colors look calmer, almost like in old paper ads. The objects look 2D instead of 3D. As you'd expect from long-time rivals, it was Microsoft's Windows 8. That was one of the first flat user interface designs. Well, definitely the most significant in the business. And strongly oppose the Apple's iOS design. In fact, Microsoft is continuing this approach with its new operating system, Windows 10. So it seems that flat design is holding strong and that it will stay around for a while. So why does everything look so simplified in flat design? Well, the whole concept of flat design is to turn users' attention to usability of the website or the design, instead of trying to show off with flashy real-life objects. I guess you could say that flat design is about communicating what a certain element does using the simplest means. Flat design has seen some major success in the last couple of years. It has been implemented by many major tech brands in the world. I've already mentioned Microsoft's latest operating systems, but take a look at LG's or Huawei's variations of the Android UI. Even the newest iteration of iOS looks more flat. Of course, the number of flat design websites is growing every day. In terms of web development, I guess there is no more prominent flat design example as Bootstrap. Or icon fonts like Font Awesome. All of those designs are simplified, less flashy, but that doesn't mean they're boring. Bright contrasting colors quickly grab users' attention and at the same time are easily recognizable as to their function. Many of them use so-called long shadow to make the icons more appealing, and by the way, this is something we will learn in this course as well. When you decide to design a website in flat design style, remember to center it around the idea of simplicity that will bring usability. Use solid contrasting colors to set the elements of the design apart. The font should be clean, preferably sans serif, with varying styles emphasizing what's most important, like headings. In this course, we will focus on designing flat icons. I want to show you how to design with flat user interface in mind, and I will do that using Adobe Illustrator. As the course progresses, you will learn some fantastic and easy to follow techniques that you can successfully implement in your own design workflow. I want this course not only to be ongoing, but also interactive. I mean, I want to solve your flat design problems, so if you want me to design some specific or maybe explain something in greater detail, just post a discussion. I am here for you and I really want to help. Okay, so let's get to work and design our first icon.